Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet baby sandal designs. Different color, different design, different ideas in front of you. You can see in front of you same color and also combination. So dear friends, most attractive latest collection. If you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet baby sandal designs and others like crochet baby frock design, crochet baby romper design, crochet baby scarf design, punch cap, red cap shawl, crochet baby cap design also. Crochet women material like crochet women outfit ideas, crochet women bodycon dresses, long dresses, short dresses, garter dresses, full sleeve, half sleeve, sleeveless also. Crochet women long gloves, short gloves, fingerless gloves. Crochet jewelry like crochet women necklace designs, earring designs, bracelet designs, bead jewelry like crochet women anklet design and baby anklet designs also. Always try to bring useful videos, useful content for you. So don't forget to like my videos, don't forget to share my videos with your friends, relatives and also gives your feedback in the hammer section about the collection. How was the video? How was the design? So dear friends, now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with the collection and please remember me in your prayers. Then bye.